right, guys, it's the 4th of July. Welcome to the Fee Experiment. Happy 4th of July. I actually have to work today, but I'm not going to let that stop me because I want to grill on my grill today. It's a little rusty on the smoker side, but who cares? That's the top portion. But a couple of my grates were a little bit rusted, and what I've done is rubbed some Barkeeper's Friend on it. Have I ever done this before? No. This is an experiment to see if it says it removes rust, lime stains, and tarnish. Well, we're going to see. I rubbed it on there. I'm going to let it sit a minute. Then I'm going to come back and clean it off, and let's see if it removes the rust. Okay, Barkeeper's Friend, you work for so many other things. Make it happen for us too. Okay. It has sat here for about 10 minutes. So let's rinse it off. I see some of the rust falling off. As you can see, the water is getting a little orangey, but I still see some rust. I'm going to wipe it off and see what we got after I wipe it down. This one didn't have that much. This one had, as you can see, had more rust. I have some craft paper here. It actually looks better than it. I wish I had have shown you guys how it looked like initially, how bad it was. This looks a lot better. I bet if I put some more on here, I can get some more rust off, and I think I'll do that. Let it sit a little bit longer. This one definitely looks a whole lot better. That one looks a whole lot better. We're going to add a little bit more. This is how I'm rubbing it on here. Like it's a nice little massage. Yeah, give it a nice little massage it on in there just to get it all over everywhere. This stuff is really liquidy, but it works on everything. That Barkeeper's Friend is no joke. Put it in between there. We don't want to be cooking on any rust, right? Not at all. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for about maybe about 10 minutes, and we'll be back, baby. Okay, so I'm back. Let's get this rinsed off and see what we're working with. If nothing else, I do have a grill mat that I can use, but I just wanted to see if this experiment of using the Barkeeper's Friend will clean your rusty grill. it, but not so bad, right? I've seen worse. I've seen people cook on worse. This one looks a whole lot better. So we know that the barkeeper's friend will work. Not so bad. I might can scrape off the rest of the little rust, but this is not so bad. I think the barkeeper's friend did a great job. Like I said, 80%. This was like really covered. So there you have it. You can use barkeeper's friend, especially if yours isn't as bad as mine was. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to pass the information on. Bye.